Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you all had a good week. Today I brought us out on a little bit of an adventure, somewhere different that I found on Google. You can tell by the thumbnail and the title, it's a quarry, but a quarry that's a little bit different. Apparently the water's dead blue. So without further ado, let's drink the coffee and go and take a look. Yeah, that is closed up that way, but just to the side, we do have an entrance here that I was told about by a local that we can access as the fence is down. So here we go, guys. Second gate here, guys, but it's open again. Private, keep out. Again, open. So let's keep on going. Here we go, guys. The entrance to the quarry. Looking quite spectacular, I'm sure you'd all agree. The sheer height of it. Let's have a bit of a walk down this footpath, see what we can see. There we go, guys. Just an example of how blue that water really is. I believe, guys, there's two bodies of water at this quarry. This must be the smaller one of the two. But still, spectacular nonetheless. If you can hear those noises in the background, guys, I believe it's something to do with the farmers. Some sort of scarers, crow scarers or something like that. You listen out for them. There they are again. Okay, guys, as we come around the corner, we've come across some sort of shack or something. Let's go and take a look. Don't know what this would have been used for. Don't know. If you've got any ideas, guys, drop it in the comments. Why a building like this would be at the quarry. Not quite sure. It's obviously in a state of disrepair now. So here we go, guys. This is that second body of water I was on about. Look how blue that is. I'm guessing that's some sort of chemical reaction that's causing that. If it goes on, stretches around the corner, all the way around here. We're going to take a look at that in a minute. And I believe, looking on the internet, there are a couple of cars in here somewhere, so we're going to see if we can't find those. But yeah, look how blue. So guys, looks as though somebody's been up here setting off some fireworks at some point. There's rubbish littered everywhere. Here it is then guys, the main body of water. It's even got steps leading down to it, look. On the far side over there, look. Got to be dead careful here guys, near the edge, because that there is one fall I don't want to make, because it's a fair old swim back to there, and it's far too cold on this December's day to be doing that. And there we go guys, that's probably the most spectacular shot I can give you. Look at the colour of the water. Now that, guys, is the colour of water you'd expect if you were on a Mediterranean holiday. Not here in the West Mids. Pretty spectacular. Right guys, just been talking to two locals. They've pointed me in the direction of the cars that are in the water. So I've managed to locate them, and they reckon there might be a third, but you can't see it today as the water's not quite that clear. But here's the two you can see. Just make out the second. Now how they got in there is nobody's business, but yeah, makes for a bit of a spectacular view, I suppose. The landfall there, guys. Well guys, I think you'll find that was pretty spectacular for a quarry in the West Midlands. Oh, but all that stomping round, it's got me wanting a brew. So let's get a coffee going. If I don't spill all of it, that is. Rubbish goes in the pocket, we don't need to add to the mess that's already around here. Lid on. Happy days. Perfect. Cheers guys. Right guys, that was a pretty successful morning out and about. Love the quarry, to be fair. quite spectacular. I bet it's even more so in the summer. But another one we've been out and about to show you. Now it's time to head to the van. I'm getting a bit hungry. We're going to have a cook. See you back at the van. Here we go, guys. Back down to the van. Right guys, so back in the van now. That was a fair trek and a half round. Bit exhausted. Today, we've got ourselves some crumpets to cook with a little bit of cheese. No gas required. So let's get them in because I am starving. Oh, got the toaster hooked up to my Vitamin. It's currently on 771 watts using power. So little travel toaster should do the job. Bang in, it takes a while. As I say, it's low power. I've got 49% on the battery on the Vitamin. It's not moving an inch, so easy enough. Back when it pops. While we wait for that, guys, I'll get the cheese ready. Nice extra mature cheddar, my favourite. We'll get ourselves some slices of that to put on top. Lovely jubbly. I am absolutely starving. How many do we have? Oh, missed the plate there. Oh. That's the Vitamin kicking in. 47%, so we used 3 so far. 3% power. One more cheese I think should be enough. Don't want to overdo it. There we go. Back in the bag for that one, and then back in the fridge in a minute. Let's pop the toaster, take a look. No, I like mine a little bit more done than that, so just hold fire 5 minutes. Just check on them now. Let's have a look. Yeah, that should be done. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Damn. Warm. Let's get some butter on them. Beautiful. Slather that on. Come on, spread. Lovely. Lots and lots. Get it on. Ooh, they're hot. Nice. Stomach's rumbling already. Look at the melt on that butter, guys. Lovely. Ow. Cheese on top. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Extra one for me. There we go, guys. Lovely jubbly. And we'll swill it down this week with a lovely apple and raspberry J2O. Let's get that open because I think we're going to need it because they are piping. Little taste. Lovely. Cheers, guys. Oh, banging. Right, guys. I'm going to finish these off, clear this up, and I'll get back to you. Right, guys, that was beautiful. So, for this week's pudding, if you like, being as it's the 1st of December, my wife got me an advent calendar. So let's open door number 1. Here we go. Lovely. Look at this. Oh, white Kinder Bueno. Beautiful. There it is. That's what I want. Okay guys, thanks ever so much for watching today's video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. It does help the channel. It's a brand new channel, hoping to grow, so it really would help if you did. If there's any questions you've got about today or anything I've done you've seen, drop us a comment and I'll try and answer every single question. Failing that, if you just want to comment on anything, please do. Next week there won't be a video because I've got family commitments the weekend. I work full time. I've got a wife and kids, so I won't be able to get out in the week to film a video. Weekend I'm away all weekends, as I say, family commitments. I will, however, be having some time off early for Christmas. I finish early, so I'm going to be hoping to get 2 or 3 videos uploaded and filmed by that period. I know what the next video is going to be. I could possibly get a van build video done for Sunday's upload. Having said that, they're 10 a penny and I don't really want to do that. That's not the type of video I'm hoping to do. But if you want to see how I put the van together, then I can do that. Again, drop me a comment if that's what you want me to do. I'll quite happily do that for Sunday as opposed to no video. Failing that, I'll be back 2 weeks time, 6 PM Sunday. Thanks for watching guys.